Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi A4 wheel bearing. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a torque wrench, socket set, and a wheel bearing press kit. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection. Properly secure your vehicle on sturdy jack stands before beginning any work. This ensures a stable and safe environment for the repair. Once the wheel and brake caliper are off, you'll need to remove the brake rotor and the dust shield. Next, carefully loosen and remove the large axle nut, which typically requires a 32mm socket. After that, gently separate the drive shaft from the hub assembly. Finally, employ a wheel bearing press kit to push out the old, worn-out bearing from its housing. With the old bearing removed, it's crucial to thoroughly clean the hub assembly to ensure a proper fit for the new part. Using the wheel bearing press kit, carefully press the new wheel bearing into its housing. Make sure it's seated squarely and completely. Then, reinsert the drive shaft and hand tighten the axle nut. This step requires precision to avoid damaging the new bearing. Now, reattach the dust shield, brake rotor, and brake caliper assembly. Ensure all bolts, especially the caliper bolts, are torqued to the manufacturer's exact specifications, often around 140 foot-pounds for the axle nut. Finally, reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle. Take your Audi A4 for a short test drive to confirm the new bearing operates smoothly and quietly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.